If you see in India, specifically we are talking about the spirits, that what spirit we manufacture. This is called IMFL, Indian Made Foreign Liquor. Then there is another category that we call as a BOI. So these categories, like largely, if you see, this category has increased in this year is by 200%. That means this category is not being manufactured in India. It is coming from the origin of a space. For example, if there is a brand, it has been manufactured in Spain. So it is being imported from Spain and it's coming in India. This is the one set of terms. The second terms is, if you look at the liquor industries, largely it's dominated by the two companies. One is a Diageo and second is a Pearl. They have about 58 to 60% market of India. In counter to Indian market, there are Indian companies as well, Allied Blender, Retico Khetan, Jagajit. There are other companies, those are having their own brand. If you look at the trend which is coming now, is they are also launching their product into a niche market. Now, what is the niche market is basically? The trend which has now started, as you understand, the new generation is more like a vodka drinker because the smell is not coming out. So they prefer to drink which nobody can see that what they are drinking. Now there is another drink which is coming, which is called the gin. For the last 2 years, the gin is moving with the CAGR of 22%. And the vodka consumptions has reached to a mature level. So in vodka in India, it is 4% market. Globally, it is 11% market. So the consumption and the behavior of a product is basically is moving from one level to another level, and which basically push the market. That means the people, those are making a brand, to see the brand into a different tangent. Earlier, you are a supplier of whiskey, you are a manufacturer of whiskey. Now look at the consumption which is happening not in India and even abroad. We also export about 170 countries as well. So we also see that the brand which is being consumed by the consumer is what is the percentage is happening as an industry. If you look at whiskey, is about largely it has been consumed by whiskey, whether it is in north or the western part of India. South, if you see, it's just like a brandy kind of industry. So those changes is impact the brand strategy for the company, to make a new brand and reach out to the consumer, where they are not looking for even IMFL, they are looking for a niche brand like a single malt whiskey. If you look at, you might have heard about Amrut, Rampur Select. These are the two brands, those are globally being accepted, not by the Indian, but globally accepted, one of the best brands for the single malt whiskey. Now, looking this success factor, there is an industry called John. Other companies also, they are in process of launching a single malt whiskey. Now, single malt whiskey is one of the success which has been set up by the Indian companies. Now, others are following with the gin, with the vodka, and other brand that we guys are into. So consumption and the pattern of a consumer changes the company strategy, which brand, which segment, which category they want to launch it.